Ayun, caller, on the skull, on the skull, on the skull. Kistabish only inside us. Kistabish only inside us. Kistabish only, man. Kistabish only. Yo. Kistabish only inside us. Kistabish this, oh. Kistabish only, come west, sabit. Defense now. Pick engagement. Kistabish, huwag kayo maglampap. He's on us. Come west. He's my front. He's on me. He's on me, please. East side now. Inside us. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my come. West now. Come west. Almost lead yung caller. Come west again. Come west. Hold them. Dito. Come west, boys. You need to be fast kiting, man. Come west. Defense. Pick engagement. Come west again. Spread, boys. Spread. They're dying, oh. Spread mo na. Defense. Tangin. Defense man. Come west. Engage inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me come. Damage. Sige fast. Come west. Kite west. Hindi talaga kayo makapag-kite, men. Come west. Ano ba tong isa na to? Establish na come west. They're gonna engage again. Come west. Defense now. Defense. Wala na akong defense. Inside us lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me come. Regroup muna tayo. Ayun, patay, oh. Come northeast now. Almost dead. Come northeast. Establish lang. Spread now. They have engage again. Spread now. Heals. Come northeast. Spread. Huwag kayong magkalamp. Ano bang pinagagawa nyo, man? Ba't kayo naghahalikan kanina pa kasi? Come northeast. Inside us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me come. Time shake. Now come northeast again. Come north. Kite north. We need to regroup. Kite north. I need this front. Kite north. Just kite north and spread. Labo yung siya sa inside us. Northeast 5, northeast 4, north, 3, 2, 1. On me. Damage. Now come west. Kite west lang. Wala na akong ditang. Kite west. Defense now. Come west. Picking engagement. Come northwest. Come northwest. Come northwest. Defense ID. Defense. Northwest now. Defense please. Patay yung healer ko. Inside us ng 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me come. Pick up.
Wala nang damage.
Wala na. Ayos muna tayo. Regroup. Putang ina kasi. Naghahalikan yung mga tao. Bakit kailan talaga kayo?
Kala ko healer ka.
Pagka-fighting ang putang ina.
Dumidikit pa ako sa'yo.
Regroup fast. Sure fight na to. Ayaw niya pa ayusin. I need night armor. The sweeper man. Ba't kasi kayo nagka-clamp, sir? Ba't kayo naghahalikan? Ano yung natural clamp natin dun?
Dami sana.
Spread man. First engage enemy. You guys died. What the fuck? First engage ba yun?
Second sila lang.